Hey everybody, welcome back. Okay, so every once in a while you're going to want to turn an array into a string. So how can this be done? Well, let's delete these two lines of code here. And let's create ourselves a new variable. So if we want to put var cars, we'll make it plural this time, equals, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put car.join. Okay, so what's the join method do here? What it does is it takes all of these array options and turns it into a string. One single string, all the options together. So if I hit refresh, oops, I guess it helps if I actually write it to the document.write cars. I hit refresh, and there it is. Now you're going to notice all of them are separated by a comma. And it's possible that you don't want it separated by a comma. And you'll notice that join here did not take any parameters by default. However, you can add parameters to it, such as a hyphen. Now, because you're adding to a string, remember it has to be in quotes. Okay, and now if I do that, instead of it separating it by a comma, it will separate each one by a hyphen. Okay, so join basically does just that, joins them all together into a string. And then you can put that string into whatever variable you want, like right here where it says cars. Now it's going to be all of these cars together in one string. And then you can write it to the screen by doing document.write and just putting this new variable. And then again, even though this doesn't take any parameters by default, you can add parameters such as the hyphen. Okay, now there's one more thing I wanted to go over in this particular video. That's called pop. So if I do document.write car, I don't know, let's see here, 5, and I hit refresh, it's going to say focus. However, if I do this and I go car.pop, it's going to come up and say undefined. Interesting. What if I put 4 here? Oh, well that one works. The reason for that is what pop does is pop will remove the very last option in your array there. So basically what it's doing is just taking one away. So if I do car.pop again, now it's going to come up undefined again because I took away the last 2. So now if I show 3, that'll show up. So you can do it as many times as you would need to. So, this could be used for many different things. So if it's like, okay, well, you need to, even if you just need to take them all away one at a time, every time somebody clicks a button or something like that, you could just do pop, 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 pop. So that's how you would take it off the very end. The pop will take it off of the very end, whichever the last one is. So like how I removed focus, then that left escort at the end. So then when I removed that, now it left Tars at the end, and that's why that showed up there. And 4 and 5 would not show up because I removed them. And you'll notice that when I did remove them, if I put 4 back, it shows up as undefined because it no longer exists because we removed it with pop. Okay, so give that a try, mess with join and pop a little bit, and see what you can come up with. Maybe combine it with some of what you learned in the previous videos. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.